Welcome to today's fascinating journey where science meets the supernatural. Have you ever wondered if exorcisms, the ancient practice of driving out demons, have a scientific basis? Are these events truly supernatural, or can they be explained by modern psychology and neuroscience? Let's dive deep into the science behind exorcisms, unraveling myths, and uncovering surprising truths. 1. What is exorcism? Exorcism is the act of driving evil spirits out of a person, object, or place thought to be possessed. Mostly associated with religious rites, exorcisms are practiced in many religions, including Christianity, Islam, Hinduism, and Judaism. Throughout history, these rituals have been shrouded in mystery and fear and are often performed by clergy or spiritual leaders. 2. Possession or mental health disorders? Modern science suggests that many cases attributed to possession may stem from mental health issues such as dissociative identity disorder, DID. Individuals exhibit multiple personalities, which might be mistaken for possession. Schizophrenia. Auditory hallucinations and delusions can mimic demonic voices or behaviors. Epilepsy. Seizures accompanied by strange physical movements could resemble possession. Psychosomatic disorders. Intense stress and cultural beliefs can manifest as physical symptoms of possession. Studies have proven that many possessed people suffer from undiagnosed or untreated psychiatric conditions. 3. Neuroscience of possession-like states. Neuroscientists have explored the possibility that certain regions of the brain could explain possession-like states. Temporal lobe activity. Overactivity in the temporal lobe can produce intense religious experiences, visions, and auditory hallucinations. Mirror neurons. These neurons generate empathy but may amplify cultural expectations of possession in impressionable people. These changes were identified with functional MRI scans that have shown that a disorder of activity in such regions relates to possession symptoms. 4th, power of belief and suggestion. Sociologists argue that placebos and mass hysteria do play an important role in exorcism rites, where possession is largely ingrained into the belief and culture. The placebo effect. If the sufferer of possession has thought an exorcism is necessary for curing them, perhaps his psychological state improves. Cultural narratives. In possession-prone cultures, suggestible people may unconsciously emulate these behaviors. 5. Scientific research on exorcism. Recent research has enlightened the psychological and physiological mechanisms of exorcisms. A 2023 review in the Journal of Religion and Health analyzed case studies where participants felt better after exorcisms, suggesting a placebo-like psychological relief. Harvard Research 2022 on exorcism rituals showed that they elicit the release of cortisol and other stress hormones, causing temporary emotional stabilization. 6. Ethical issues in science. Exorcisms can provide psychological relief, but they also carry dangers. Damage to mental well-being. Exorcisms can exacerbate undiagnosed psychiatric conditions if not conducted with caution. Physical harm. Some practices include extreme physical acts that can lead to injury. Psychiatrists and neuroscientists advocate a caring, scientific approach to these possessed patients with therapy and medical treatments. Conclusion. Exorcism is an interesting fusion of belief, culture, and human psychology. With the power of modern science behind it, there's no denying that possession states can be explained by more convincing reasons. However, the power of faith and cultural traditions cannot be pushed aside. Whether you take exorcisms as spiritual warfare or psychological phenomena, an understanding of the science makes it a whole new thing.